in love with you. This ain't the honeymoon, past the infatuation phase. Right in the thick of love. At times we get sick of love. It seems like we argue every day. I know
that's one of my favourite songs. It really is. And but All of Me, I mean, has
John Legend jobs.
Stunned listeners. I mean, it's one of the most popular first dance songs, and I wonder what you do when you have a song that's made such an impact on so many people, and you still have to write and produce something.
The honeymoon, past the infatuation phase. Right in the thick of love. At times we get sick of love. It seems like we argue every day. I know
that's one of my favourite songs. It really is.